What's up, guys? So today we're doing a outside detail and a paint correction on this older Avalanche. It's got some scratching stuff on it, so we're going to show you how we take care of scratches and swirls and just revive this bad boy. So Aaron is rinsing it off. We've already scrubbed it. Jacob's already got wheels, tires cleaned up. We got everything scrubbed. We went through and clay barred everything, all the paint. We did not clay bar the plastic, but got all the paint. This is a hunting truck for the guy who uses, and I don't know if you can see all them little scratches, but he has chickens, and the chickens get on there, scratch it up. So we're gonna take all them little scratches out, try to, but we're gonna revive this little puppy. She's not a bad looking little truck, older model. I think she look good. And Jake's over here drying off. Hot one, ain't it, Jake? Supposed to be 107 today, heat index. Got the family riding around, dogs. But got some stuff here. Might be able to get most of that out. That there I can't get out, but that should come out. Some stuff. And then we're gonna dress all the plastics up. What's up, bud? It's hot. Yeah. You can see it's just got some light scratches on it. See there, it's pretty good. We're gonna dress it up. Make her shine. There's a good one right there. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but so we'll just polish it up.
Jacob's doing the plastics now, treating them.
There's a lot of plastic on this vehicle.
A lot of plastic. I think that's what the Avalanches are made for, is for the plastic. So you can see where Jacob has treated the right side, and the left side has not been treated yet.